Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, guys. Hope you are all doing well and be fine. Today, we will start another topic, human respiratory system. What is human respiratory system? Before going into detail, we will shortly define respiration. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between organism and its environment is called respiration. Human respiratory system contain different organs. The first one is nose, which is the visible part or the external part of the human respiratory system, and it contains two openings called nostrils. Nasal cavity, it contains the air will enter from nose to the nasal cavity, and the anatomy of the nasal cavity contains two chambers which is divided by the septum, and the physiology of the nasal cavity is it contains mucous membrane along with hairs which is used for preventing different microorganisms and dust particles enter into the human respiratory system. The another one, the air will go through from the pharynx. The anatomy of the pharynx is it is 4.5 inches long, and it is also contain tonsil and adenoids, which are the organs of the lymphatic system, which is also responsible for preventing different microorganisms. After pharynx, the air will enter into the larynx, which is known as voice box. It also contains vocal cords which produce sound, also known as syrinx box. It contains glottis and epiglottis. The glottis, when the glottis open on dorsal side, it will open into the food pipe or esophagus. And when this glottis open on ventral side, it will open into the windpipe, which is known as trachea. After larynx, the air will go through trachea, which is also known as windpipe, and the trachea is 16 to 20 C-shaped cartilaginous rings. And the function of the trachea is to prevent the collapsing of the organs, human respiratory organs. And this trachea is 12 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. After trachea, the air will go through bronchi, which is present in thorax region, and the trachea divides into two branches in the thorax region called bronchi. The singular of the bronchi is bronchus, and this bronchi contain different small tubes and called bronchioles, and also supported by the blood capillaries. So guys, the air will enter from bronchioles to the lungs, which is also merged in the each lung. So what is lung? Lungs are the primary organ of gaseous exchange. Lungs are two in number. One is present on the right side and the other one is on left side. The right one lung is slightly larger from the left one, and the lungs are present in the chest cavity. The right lungs contain 3 lobes and the left lungs contain 2 lobes. The lungs are supported by double membrane, which is known as pleura. Pleura also contain pleural fluid. This fluid are responsible for the contraction and relaxation and the gaseous exchange. The air sacs are alveoli, which looks like a bunches of grapes, known as alveoli. These are 274 to 790 million per lungs. This is the actual site of gaseous exchange, and this alveoli also supported by the blood capillaries, which is main responsible for the gaseous exchange. When there is low concentration of oxygen in the blood capillaries, the oxygen will be moved from air sac to the blood capillaries. So therefore, that's why the gas exchange will occur. Hope you all will be fine and enjoying my videos. So please subscribe my channel and watch till to the end.